Hey y'all, it's your girl Kyla. If you didn't know, you know. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a subscriber, what's up, y'all? So, as y'all can see by the title, you know what to do is in today's video. I'm going to be telling y'all what's in my emergency kit, and also I'm going to be showing y'all what should be in y'all emergency kit, because why not? Every girl should have an emergency kit. Like, it's just something about it. Like, you need an emergency kit. Like, emergency kit is for your essentials. Clocks. Okay. I do want to get this is my pouch. I do want to get a bigger pouch, or maybe, I don't know, but this is my pouch that I'm using, and this is what's in mine. And this was just stuff that after I got done doing my back to school shopping, I think Friday, I don't know, y'all should have done saw that video by now because I just uploaded it today. BTW, I do still have the same stuff on from my last video, or from my advice video, because of the simple fact it's still the same day. So yeah, 2 videos in one day. That's filming 2 videos in one day. That's crazy. And then I had, like, I literally got off work, came home, took a shower. That's why I look crazy. And now I'm filming. Like, what's really tea? Like, I need to be cleaning my room, in the bed, sleep somewhere. Like, wait. Anyway, but some things I want in here that I don't have in here, because yeah. And then some things are not in here because I don't have them, and then some things are not in here because I personally don't use them, but I feel like they will be good tip, like, stuff for y'all. So that's that. So we're gonna get started with this. I just put my emergency kit together, I think literally Friday after I got back home. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all some stuff I have in my emergency kit or whatever, and also tell y'all stuff to put in your emergency kit. So starting with this, I have these right here, which are floss and peak flossers and peaks travel like thingy. And I have these because you can never go wrong. Like, if you at school, you done ate some stuff in your teeth, like, wait, let's be real here. So we have these, and that's just that. And then also I keep hand sanitizer in my purse. So yeah, but just in case, I got this little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. It's the strawberry pound cake one, which y'all can see it already been used, but I put it in here because yeah. Next, I have this little rub-on perfume, which I don't know how full this is, to be real with y'all, because I ain't been had it for long, but I've been had it for a good little minute. But we got this right here or whatever. Mind you, I also do most of the time keep perfume or my Sergio De Niro or a small like perfume in my purse. So yeah. Trying to think. Then I got, what is it? Because I had 2 of them. I got 2 hair ties, which, yes, they have hair and stuff on them because, yeah, but I do got to give me some more hair ties in general before I do go back to school. Actually, I might need to get them, like, tomorrow. Anyway, but I got 2 hair ties in here because you never know. I normally keep one in my purse anyway, but still, just in case. Then I got some deodorant. It's the Dove spray deodorant that I started using. Then I have like a pack of tissue, and it comes with like 10 things of tissue in here in this little pack, I think, something like that. These are on the travel aisle, like in Walmart or anywhere. They got like the little packs or whatever, and it come with like 3 or 4 in the pack. Yeah. And then, of course, I have pads in my emergency kit because I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't know. I don't know if it's me, but like, why not? Like, I anywhere it go, I stay on track of my cycle. Like, if I know my cycle is supposed to come on like this day, best to believe your cycle could be early. Like that, the 2 days before it's supposed to come on, guess what I'm going to do? I am going to be having at least one or two pads in my purse or something. Mainly just probably one, because I keep pads in my car and like in my little emergency kit in my car or whatever. So it's kind of like a situation of, if I do end up needing one, I can ask to just go to my car and get it type stuff. And then also when it's like around the time for football season and stuff, which is like right when we come back to school, of course. Most of the time my book bag be in the school building. So for that being said, I can easily just go get my book bag and get one out of my book bag, because I also keep one in keep 3 or 2 in my book bag. So yeah. Also panty liners, just because first of all, for when you get after, y'all know when you after your cycle, you're not bleeding, but you're spotting a little bit. And then even before your cycle, you might sometimes be spotting. So yeah, gotta keep some of them on you. Then also I have this Dove beauty cream. It's like lotion, for real. Like, it's literally like lotion. And I just know I don't have like a small thing of lotion or whatever. So yeah. Also I have these flushable wipes that's in here, because yeah, if you know then you know, if you don't then you don't. That's all I'm gonna say. And if I'm being real with y'all, it's not even. Let me show y'all. Hold on. And also, some people say like keep change in your pocket, in your emergency kit. But me personally, like, if you a girl like me, what you need some cash in your, like, when it's school time, I make sure to keep cash on me anyway, because you know, they might be selling at school. How am I supposed to get something? So this is everything in here. I would say put like some Carmex or like some lip balm or something in your emergency kit also. Also it is something else I want to put in here, so hold on. If you're a girly and you have like you get your nails done, and y'all know that after you get your nails done, like, they be good, but when they start lifting, like, they still be good, but you need a little glue because they started lifting or whatever. Yeah, I keep some in my purse already, but you never know. Then also, if you a girly and you wear lashes, because I am one of them girlies who wear lashes. Baby, you never know when one of them corners get the yeah. Need you a pair of tweezers. Speaking of that, also, like, even if you're this and that, I do say get have like a small, I wouldn't even say a small thing of glue, but like, y'all know the lash crush that come with the little bun. Have like a small one of them, but I don't think they have a small one. Cause they really like a long little thing, but you can also fit one of them in here to fix your lashes at school if you need to. So that's what all's in mine. I don't have the glue, the lash bun or anything like that in here, because I don't use the lash bun stuff or whatever for my lashes anymore, because I found that they never lasted that long, and I already be picking at my lashes anyway. But I found using that lash bun and stuff, it don't work for me personally. So I use a different glue, so I'm gonna have to figure something out with that, because pretty much, y'all, my thing is pretty much packed. Like, I probably got room for one more thing in here, being for real. things I think y'all should put in y'all emergency kit. I feel like you should. Oh yeah. Also, I gotta go get some band-aids and stuff. I feel like you should have some band-aids in your emergency kit because I put some in mine. I feel like you also should have medicine in your emergency kit because I normally have medicine in my emergency kit, but I also keep medicine on me in general. Which, speaking of that, because I actually had bought a travel size. Here it is. Let me put it in here. I actually had bought a travel size thing bottle before I went on vacation. So let me stick this in here also. It's whatever medicine you prefer, but I keep medicine on me in general, like in my purse and stuff, because I know I catch real bad headaches and migraines and stuff. So I keep medicine in my purse in general. So you should keep medicine in there in your emergency kit. I wouldn't even say chocolate because if you bring a lunchbox to school, then you can carry your lunchbox around with you. So yeah. So that's just that. I do say emergency kit. What else? If you wear tampons, put tampons in there. If you don't wear tampons, then don't put none in there. Currently, I am out of tampons, but I mainly wear pads anyway. So, because I really don't like tampons like that. So, that's that. So I don't have any in mine or whatever. Trying to think what else to tell y'all that could go in your emergency kit. I said hair ties. Yeah, I really don't know what else because I really don't know hair ties. Sometimes y'all might want to keep a small little edge brush. Well, cause I know grocery with mine's gonna be in my purse or in my school bag or something because yeah, a small edge brush and a small thing of the edge control you use in your purse or in your emergency kit or whatever the case is, it couldn't hurt nothing. Okay. That's what I say because, yeah. I don't know what else really to tell y'all to put in there because I done told y'all band-aids, medicine, tampons, if you wear tampons. I done told y'all the basics of the stuff to really keep in your emergency kit. I'm trying to think, and I told y'all lip balm or like some extra lip gloss or some lip oil stuff or something. Oh, I need to put some what's the name in mine too. Hold on. I'm going to put 2 things of this travel size. No, actually, I'm just going to put one. I'm going to put 1 thing of this travel size sunscreen in here because even though, I'm so in particular with my skincare, it's crazy. Like, my skin really have been, changed since I went to the dermatologist. I had a bump right here, y'all, and it was irritating me. So, actually, it was just itching, so I started scratching it. But it's okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, if y'all can find a mini what is it called, a mini lint roller, get you one. Also, for when you're on your cycle, even if when you're not on your cycle, y'all know the little pins that you can put on your stove. I think it's like a Tide pen or something like that you can put on your clothes and stuff. Like if you get like a stain or something in it, it's a on the go type situation. I gotta get one of those, and I'm telling y'all to get one of those and put in your emergency kit. I know my emergency kit is like pretty full, but I'm gonna stuff this bitch till I can't put shit more nothing else in this hole. Okay, so yeah, I know it's pretty full, but I still can fit the little smaller pen in there, and then yeah, we'll see though, y'all. I just wanted to get y'all the emergency kit haul and like what should be in your emergency kit, what this, that, blah blah, whatever. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and go follow me down below and all my social medias to keep up with me, because y'all, the school year about to begin, so y'all know what that means. Y'all are probably going to be getting one video every week, if not every other week. Clock. I'm lying. But yeah, so make sure y'all go like, follow, and subscribe and all that. Well, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias down below. Go watch my most recent video, and yeah, go tell a friend to go tell a friend, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Love y'all.
Only been days, but it feel like months.